Hello students, welcome to the short lecture on endemic and exotic species of ornamental fishes in India. Let us see what are endemic species of aquarium fishes in India. Endemic species refers to the term for those species whose range is restricted to a limited geographical area. So the fishes which are found only in Indian region will be termed as endemic species. They are not found in other geographical areas other than India. Exotic species of aquarium fishes are those which belong to some other region but are introduced in a foreign region. For example, those species which are not restricted to a particular area but have been introduced into foreign areas are exotic species. You can also think of these species as the imported species which have been imported from other countries into India. Let us see some examples of endemic species. Puntius aeruleus is the barb fish. Puntius filamentosus, we had this fish in our college aquarium. This Puntius is a native fish of Kaveri river. Amblypharingodon mola is found even in Ganga river. Some more freshwater fishes. Very interesting is this Notopterus notopterus. Its body is laterally flattened, so it is also known as knife fish. You can see these beautiful fishes. These are examples of the marine water endemic species of India. We have Pomacenterus caeruleus, then Ostracion cubicus, Odonus niger. Let us see some of the examples of exotic species. These are the most common ornamental fishes which are bred and reared: goldfish, koi carp, guppy, molly. Then we have others such as platy, swordtails. All these fishes are freshwater ornamental fishes which are not endemic to India. These are the examples of the marine ornamental fishes which are exotic species. You can identify this clownfish here. You must have seen it in the movie Finding Nemo. Then we have damselfish, we have rabbitfish, we have Moorish idol. So all these are examples of the exotic species. Thank you for watching.